ACP is coming to JetBrains IDEs. So what does ACP stand for? It's the Agent Client Protocol, a standard way to plug AI coding agents into your IDE. Now everyone can use any coding agent in their favorite JetBrains IDE. And I really do mean everyone! How does it work? First, you need a coding agent. Here I'm using Fast Agent. In IntelliJ IDEA, I open the AI chat tool window, click the three dots and select Configure ACP Agents. You configure your agent's name, the command to start it, any command line arguments like the model to use. In my case, I'm giving the agent access to the Context7 MCP server, so it can fetch up-to-date information from lots of libraries. And finally, the API key for your model, via the environment variable your agent expects. That's it. The IDE now knows how to talk to your agent, and if you want to use it, simply select it at the bottom of the AI chat tool window. Let's actually use it. What I have here is a small Kotlin app that uses Desktop Compose to show live charts of cryptocurrency assets. Unfortunately, it's broken, because Binance retired the old Java API library I was using and shipped an official replacement. My old dependency just stopped talking to the new API. Instead of manually fixing everything, let's ask the agent. In the prompt, I first give the agent some context about the problem. I've already removed the old Gradle dependency, so I can see all the compiler errors and get a feeling for how much work the migration will be. Then, I add a clear task description, update the project to the new library, and use the Context7 MCP server to look up the latest docs and usage examples. Finally, I will paste all compilation errors into the prompt, so the agent immediately sees what's broken and where to start investigating. And yes, I even misspelled library a few times in the prompt. On purpose. Now it's time to start the agent and let it chew through the project. While it's working, feel free to grab a cup of tea, touch some grass, or just close your eyes for 10 minutes. When everything is ready, the agent tells us the project now compiles and gives us a neat summary of what had changed. Instead of reviewing every single diff like it's a tax audit, let's just hit build and run the app. Nice, that worked. The live chart view is back, happily updating our crypto prices. After glancing through the changes, I can see a few things I would have done differently, but that's fine. The agent is super fast at reading the documentation and it never complains. The important part is, it did the migration. I kept my evening and ACP handled the whole conversation between my IDE and the agent. Plug in an ACP agent and let it do the boring work while you pretend touching grass was part of the plan all along.